You've used the bandsaw for standard cutting where the material's flat. But when it comes to resawing, this fence is too short to be stable. Here's a shop tip from Wood Magazine to provide a perfect, tall, stable fence. So here's our new tall fence made out of scrap material, and it's truly scrap. It's just 2x4s and some leftover plywood. It's going to mount on the saw fence like so. It's a small rail in the back to help hold it, and I can insert a clamp here as well as one in the back. Once that's in place, I'll set the distance and the thickness of the piece I want resawn, and it's time to go to town. So that's our completed cut, and here's what a resaw gives you. This is a really pretty book match. Very easily done on the bandsaw, especially with the new scrap jig. You'll use this a lot.